Good afternoon, dear parents. Good afternoon, my fellow learners.
Good afternoon, we imagine when we shall Otiti Margaret.
My precious name is Imogen Felicia, and this is Primary 5. Today we are going to learn letter construction. I'd like to thank our parents who have been able to pay for us school fees, and those who are still home, we pray that they may be able to come back by the nearest time. Skills are very important to us now and will be in the future. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.
Bye.